But we can make a little small stairway. The trick to making your stairway work is you do have to have a true hill to build it into.
Oh, okay.
And so I was going to use some of your smaller pieces here, but if you start at the bottom end, it also would be best if we had watered this in first, because then you're not working with the
dry soil.
The dry soil kind of fluffing up on you as you go. Then we do have, these are actually from my landscaping. When they throw the rock down for me, I go and pick some back up again.
All sorts of stuff. You have sand.
Yeah, sand and all kinds of good things.
You have cork, you have vermiculite.
I always think that a little white sand is kind of important, because that way it looks like you got a little beach going on there, that hopefully that's where the water began.
Oh.
And it's kind of nice to think of yourself on a sandy beach too.
I love that.
To give it just a little bit more flavor. Sometimes I do a little path of vermiculite too, that's leading off to that, or it can come from the stairs.
Uh-huh.
So that there's a little bit of a rocky feel before you hit to the sand.
So we'd water it in.
We definitely would water it in, probably before we did the steps, just because we wouldn't want to mud out our steps.
That's so awesome.
You bet.
See, it's prettier. You know what? I think the other thing is, I think that my sister makes them with love.
I do.
Everything you make is with that love.